What's going on YouTube? Marcus Czar here, and we're on CoinGecko.com, and today we're looking at Ethereum. But before I dive into Ethereum, just take a look at that market cap. We're looking at some great opportunities as far as some of these dips that's happening in crypto. We're underneath $1 trillion for the moment, but this will go back to $1 trillion and higher over time. So just wanted to throw that out there. So there is nothing to be concerned about in these markets. There's a lot of turbulence right now, but that's just how these markets work. But there's no reason to panic. So Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum. So what is Ethereum? Just to make it quick and simple, if you haven't heard of Ethereum, don't even know what it is. So basically, Ethereum is a global open source platform for decentralized applications. Okay, so what that means is Bitcoin is a blockchain, right, of itself. Ethereum is a blockchain of itself. So Ethereum is a blockchain where you can actually build decentralized applications on it. You can do the same thing with Bitcoin, but I think it's just a lot harder to do. Ethereum made it a lot simpler to develop on top of, right? Bitcoin was just made as a way for peer-to-peer transactions as far as like sending money to each other, right? With Bitcoin, right? That was the original idea. But you know, with these blockchains, you can add and scale it and things like that. So with Ethereum, right, you can build on top of Ethereum's platform for the decentralized applications. And if I go to DeFi, just to kind of make this clearer for you, so most of these DeFi cryptocurrencies that you see here, majority of them is built on top of Ethereum's blockchain. Okay, so Ethereum, as far as the blockchain, is ranked number 2 for a reason, because it pretty much hold a lot of developers develop on top of Ethereum. That's why you see all these altcoins, and most of these altcoins got started on Ethereum, or some of them is still on Ethereum as far as a decentralized application, right? Just a DApp, which is considered a DApp, right? I'm not trying to confuse you too much about that, but I'm really bullish on Ethereum, mainly for this one reason here. It's because of Ethereum 2.0, and this gives you the ability to stake your cryptocurrency, right? So what is staking? So staking means, so let me go here. So all you got to do is go to google.com and type in what is staking, right? So just to give you a rundown what staking is, anyone with the minimum required balance of a specific cryptocurrency can validate transactions and earn staking rewards, right? So if I go to my Coinbase, if I go to my portfolio did go back up again. It was down a little bit because of the turbulence in the market, but I'm back up and I haven't sold, right? Because I understand the game. You're not gonna get me to sell my bags that easily, okay? So if I go to portfolio and then I scroll down to Algorand, right? Algo, this is available on Coinbase. Just sign back in again real quick. Okay, go back to portfolio, got logged into my account, and then go to Algorand. And as you can see, this reward. So I'm getting a reward by simply staking my cryptocurrencies. In other words, I'm helping secure Algorand's blockchain by locking my cryptocurrency, in this case Algo. In return, I get a reward for that by helping validate transactions on the blockchain. I get a reward for that. So think of this as passive income. So Ethereum, now what you can do on Ethereum, you have the option to make passive income with Ethereum instead of you trading it, right? So there's a little article, I will leave the link in below in the section just to show you that, you know, this was this case, right? It says right here, initially, in order to make money through cryptocurrency, a trader or investor was required to either trade, buy and sell using cryptocurrency or mine them, right? So that was like the two ways to make money in crypto. But you don't have to do that anymore because you have this thing called proof of stake, POS. A lot of these blockchains are proof of stake based now. Some of them, not all of them. Bitcoin is based on proof of work. Ethereum right now is currently proof of work, but it's merging over to proof of stake, which means and in return we get a better blockchain, right? This blockchain is being upgraded to a better version of which is currently Ethereum 1.0, which we're using right now. We're going to Ethereum 2.0. So this is just basically an upgrade for the blockchain, and that benefits everyone in the space because you can actually stake your Ethereum and make a passive income. So that's why I'm really bullish on Ethereum. That is the number one reason why I'm bullish on Ethereum, because Ethereum holds the market as far as a blockchain, as far as developers developing on top of it. It's very low, $1,233. It did hit an all-time high, hit its all-time high again around $1,432. That is major resistance for Ethereum, but I'm very bullish on Ethereum because, like I said, you have the option to not trade your cryptocurrency now. I know a lot of people don't want to trade crypto. A lot of people just want to get into crypto to do different things. In this case, maybe just earn passive income, right? So think of this as in the way as right now, right? When you go to the bank, right, you can make a deposit in your bank, and your bank has these different offerings where you can earn interest on your money when you deposit your money, right? Same concept with cryptocurrency. You have your money, right? So in my case, I have algo, and my algo, when I started the staking, I had about like $50 worth of algo, and I used that $50 as a way to start staking it so I can earn rewards, right? So as soon as I sell my algo, my staking rewards will stop because I'm no longer staking my crypto because I sold it, right? So when you hold your cryptocurrency, you have the option to stake it depending what blockchain you're using. In this case, Ethereum has the option to stake it. However, there's a lot of you need about 32 Ether to start staking, but there's these different staking services that let you stake Ether with very minimal amounts of money, and I'll show you a way how to do that in another video. But I just want to show you, tell you that that's the number one reason why I'm bullish on Ethereum 2.0. It has about $4 billion value lock as stakers commit over 2% of the supply. So this is a good sign. People are putting money behind Ethereum because they hope, because they think Ethereum 2.0, when it launches, Ethereum 2.0 hasn't launched yet. It will be launched, and they're saying 2022. 2022 will be an estimate of this beacon chain where it will be officially launched, right? Right now, beacon chain is live, but it's more of a testing phase. This isn't really live yet, where it's on the mainnet. Okay, so that's why I'm really bullish on Ethereum. You don't need to be a trader to get in cryptocurrencies to earn money now. You have the option to make a passive income just by holding and staking your cryptocurrency with Ethereum and all these other cryptocurrency that have that availability now. But yeah, that's why I'm really bullish on Ethereum. This will be a great entry point around this point here, around $1,000 to $1,100 are great entry points to get into Ethereum. I'm very bullish, and I am looking at the 4-hour time frame, but if I go to the 1 day, it just shows me that this is definitely resistance. We did get a slight pullback with sellers selling once that resistance did hit, and it didn't break out, so sellers came in and sold. Got a support level here around, like I said, $1,000 to $1,100 range. But I'm very bullish long term on Ethereum because you have the option just to stake your Ethereum now and earn passive income. So that's on it. So that's Ethereum. I wasn't trying to make this video too long. Just want to give you a basic concept of what Ethereum is and how to kind of go about as far as staking, how to earn rewards, algo. I'm earning staking rewards through Coinbase with algo, but you can do the same thing with Ethereum, but you can't stake it on Coinbase. You got to do another way to stake on Coinbase. So I'll do a future video on that. So Marcus R, give this video a thumbs up. You got value from this. Are you bullish on Ethereum? I think Ethereum could hit $2,000, $3,000 or even higher because of this new thing called Ethereum 2.0 and the option to stake now. Stake your Ethereum. And it's ranked number 2 as far as the cryptocurrency, and that's just another gauge for me to be like, hey, I'm extremely bullish on Ethereum. So that's it for this video. You guys have a great one, and we're going to be looking at some other altcoins today.